Creating a package on the TourGenie travel management system is a breeze. You can choose between two simple methods to quickly create, customize, and share your packages with your customers. So let's get started. Head to the top right-hand corner as usual and click on your profile name. In the drop-down menu, click on Packages. Click on Add New to create one. Do you already have a package and need to share it immediately? Then simply enter your package name here. Copy-paste your package in this section. Choose the duration of stay, either in days or nights. Input the cost in any currency of your choice. You can even add text or symbols here. Upload multiple images and click Save. Now, if you have a bit of time on your hands, then use the option Add Day-wise itinerary details. Fill in the itinerary details, listing the complete day-wise activities here. Choose the name of the stay or accommodation from the drop-down list. Remember, only if you have already added the stay will it appear here. Did you skip this step? No worries. Check out our previous tutorial on Create Stay. Depending upon the type of package, select the package theme. You can also apply multiple themes to each package. Let the customer know the vehicle type. Don't forget to provide the inclusions and exclusions to keep expectations clear. If you are a travel operator in the northeast of India and have subscribed to our enterprising user plan, you have access to some great additional options. These include providing the city from a preloaded drop-down list stating the location your itinerary covers, and the biggest advantage is displaying your itinerary with a catchy banner image on the TourGenie website. Hit Save once you are done. This is what your customers will receive. There will be no more messy packages going out now, and your customers will appreciate you more for it. Next, we will move on to learning how to manage inquiries.